We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA having an explosive run here in today's trading day and now slightly pulling back in the after hours. And we're going to talk about the inflow versus outflow, the bull and bear indicators, and the strength here so far in this chart. But it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot presented opportunities in both directions, but in the second half of the day, it sent out a bear indicator at 12:45 p.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA pushing up to new resistance levels. We're going to break it all down in today's video. What's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators, and what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot at 12:30 p.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from the red bars to bright green bars today after following a transition on Friday from bright green bars to red bars. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bull indicator since way back here on March 1st at around 40 cents. The inflows crossed over since then, and the first time that we had outflows cross over was in this consolidation here on Friday, fighting to stay above 50 cents, which I stated was looking pretty strong if the bulls can hold up and bring these inflows back up. And in today's pre-market, inflows crossed back over. That bull indicator never got canceled with the bear indicator, and it did the next leg up towards new resistance levels up here, which was the first resistance we were watching of 60 cents. And then above that came 65, and then so forth as we see it, right? And it hit highs here today of nearly 80 cents. Now we need to talk about what's going on up here at these levels and what to watch here in the bigger picture, right? And going into tomorrow. So the first thing I would watch here is when you zoom out at the 1 hour, you could see that the inflows have hit some of the highest inflows on the 1 hour that we've seen in this run up, from around 13-14 cents up to the 20-cent area, and from the 20-cent area all the way up here to the 80-cent area. Now, the stock has nearly 4x'd since it actually started with strength back here around 24, $0.20 area at the end of February. So in a matter of just about a week and a half, it has gone up nearly 4x at the peak. Now, again, the inflows have hit some of the highest points that we've seen in a long time, and it's hit inflows here of 0.23 on the 1 hour. This is going to be crucial for it to hold up or stay above the midpoint, because any outflows can start to quickly reflect into the chart, guys. I would not ignore that, and it's been under a bull indicator here since 40 cents last week on March 1st as well, and that's something to not ignore. And a bear indicator is something to watch for, right? But if it doesn't pop up and these inflows continue strong, well, within the volatility, we have the 15-minute to watch, right? The 15-minute has outflows beginning here very sharply towards the end of the day, and that is something I will watch very carefully going into tomorrow, and how it's so close to the midpoint, guys. If that crosses, that could quickly start to reflect into the chart, and it canceled today in the pre-market the previous bear indicator from Friday, with today's bull indicator at around 51 cents. So if these outflows cross, I'll be watching if a bear indicator pops up, and does it retest the supports down here of about 68 to 67 cents. Now, the key levels I'm watching for tomorrow, well, the first one is the support levels, right? And the first support that stands out is 67 cents. And I would watch if these outflows continue to pull downwards with it. And the next support below that would be 62 to 60 cent area, guys. And how things react here on the 15-minute as well. Will it cross this midpoint and go lower, or will it find support and bring itself back up? Those are the key levels I'm watching to the downside. And if bear indicators were to pop up in the process, and to the upside, the first resistance is 80 cents. Then above that is 85, and then comes the 90 to $1 area that a lot of people are speculating may happen, right, within this possible squeeze. Now, here we are with it, with inflows on the 30-minute of 0.15, and the highest it reached was 0.19. It's going to be crucial for this to pull upwards here on the 30-minute and not go towards the midpoint and continue the staircase effect on the charts to push up higher. And not only that, we want the 15-minute to pull away from that midpoint, guys. Within the volatility, this is going to be crucial. Even if it crosses it, we want it to come right back up like it did here in today's pre-market. I mean, once that crossover happened, it went from 59, 60 cent area to highs here of 80 cents. Is it guaranteed to make the same move? No, but something to not overlook is what happened in the chart when it happened and what to look for if it happens again, right? And we want these inflows to continue dominating here on the 15-minute and on the 30-minute to stop the 1 hour from going any lower and staying up here at these levels and holding true these bull indicators, guys. I'm going to be watching these key levels to the upside and to the downside very carefully into tomorrow. And as always, guys, I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators, the inflow versus outflow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.